Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send videos and photos in Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the conversation where you want to send your video and photo. This will open up your chat window with that contact or group, allowing you to share your media files directly within the conversation thread. Once you're inside the conversation, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll notice an image icon located in the message input area. Go ahead and tap on this icon. This will open up your device's gallery, giving you access to all your photos and videos stored on your phone. This is your gateway to selecting any media you want to share with your contact. Now, from your gallery view, browse through your media and tap on the video you want to send. You can scroll through your recent files or navigate to specific folders if needed. Once you've selected your video, you'll see a preview appear on your screen along with a send icon, which typically looks like an arrow or paper plane. Tap the send icon to share your video. The video will then be uploaded and sent to your conversation. Depending on the size of your video file, this might take a few seconds, so just give it a moment to complete the upload process. Next, you'll want to send a photo as well. Tap the image icon at the bottom of the screen again to access your gallery once more. This time, browse through your photos and tap on the image you want to send. Just like with the video, you'll see a preview of your selected photo along with the send icon. Tap the send icon to share your photo with your contact. The photo will be uploaded and appear in your conversation thread almost instantly, making it easy for your recipient to view. And that's it. You've successfully sent both a video and a photo through Viber, making it easy to share your favorite moments with friends and family. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.